A special thank you to each of our subscribers who make this channel possible. Here's today's story. In a bold move that has sparked significant debate, former President Donald Trump has invoked the Alien Enemies Act of 1798 in an effort to combat the activities of the Tren de Aragua TDA, a designated foreign terrorist organization. This proclamation comes just hours after a federal judge in Washington, D.C., ruled that the law could not be applied to deport 5 Venezuelans currently in custody. The Alien Enemies Act allows for the deportation of individuals from enemy nations without a hearing, a measure that has been used during past conflicts, including the War of 1812 and both World Wars. Trump's recent actions highlight the ongoing concerns regarding illegal immigration and gang violence in the United States, particularly from groups like TDA, which has reportedly established a stronghold in various U.S. cities, including Aurora, Colorado. The proclamation specifically targets Venezuelan citizens aged 14 and older who are members of the TDA and are currently in the U.S. without lawful status. Allegations against the gang include extortion, drug trafficking, and violent crimes, leading to fears over public safety. Reports indicate that TDA members have taken over apartment complexes in Aurora, charging rent in exchange for protection, which has raised alarms among local law enforcement and residents alike. In response to these concerns, a special task force has been created to address the gang's activities, which have been linked to a series of criminal incidents in the area. However, the invocation of the Alien Enemies Act has not gone unchallenged. Civil rights organizations, including the American Civil Liberties Union (ACLU), have filed lawsuits claiming that the proclamation could lead to the unlawful deportation of any Venezuelan in the country, regardless of their affiliation with TDA. Chief U.S. District Judge James E. Boasberg has temporarily restrained the deportation of 5 Venezuelans while the legal proceedings unfold, with a hearing scheduled to determine the broader implications of the proclamation. Critics of Trump's actions argue that the use of wartime authority is unnecessary and could lead to abuses of power. Sky Perryman, president of Democracy Forward, condemned the move as part of an accelerating authoritarian playbook, suggesting that it undermines the rule of law and the rights of individuals in the U.S. The debate surrounding this issue reflects the larger national conversation about immigration policy, border security, and the balance between public safety and civil liberties. The Trump administration has defended its stance, asserting that the actions taken are essential for national security and public safety. The White House claims that TDA's activities pose a direct threat to U.S. citizens and that the group has been involved in a coordinated effort to undermine safety through illegal migration and violent crime. The administration links TDA to the Cartel de los Soles, a narco-terrorism enterprise associated with the Venezuelan government, further complicating the narrative surrounding immigration and crime. As the situation unfolds, the implications of Trump's proclamation and the ongoing legal challenges will be closely monitored. The outcome may set a precedent for how the U.S. government addresses issues of immigration and national security in the future, particularly concerning groups designated as terrorist organizations. With a second hearing already scheduled, the coming days will likely see heightened tensions as both sides prepare to present their arguments in court. This controversial move by Trump not only reignites discussions about immigration policy, but also raises questions about the extent of executive power in matters of national security. That's all for this story. We upload videos every day covering many different subjects, so hit that subscribe button to stay informed. Thanks for watching.